Water is the source of life. Therefore, water is another name for life. But as a result of unplanned and excessive use, the world is going to face an extreme crisis of drinking water. It is said the next world war will be around water. Although Bangladesh is rich in rivers, canals and reservoirs, but it is not free from the crisis of drinkable water. With irrigation for crops, production and industries, daily use in offices and households, the groundwater level is gradually going down. Therefore, the environment is losing its balance. In Bangladesh, various government and non-government initiatives have started environment-friendly projects for water conservation and planned use. One of these is to purify water used in households and industries and make it reusable. Green Genesis Engineering Ltd is doing this successfully with the world's most advanced membrane bioreactor MBR and reverse osmosis RO technology. Green Genesis Engineering Ltd is using the technology and equipment of the world famous. Through this, about 90% of the used water can be converted to become disinfected and made reusable. There is very little use of chemicals. This water purification method uses natural bacteria. Therefore, there is no harm to the environment and climate. More than 80% of the city's water is used in multi-storied installations and buildings for sewerage and waste management. About 3,000 million liters of water is being used daily in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh, which is being extracted from more than 11,000 deep or shallow tube wells. The daily water consumption in the industry is about 500 million liters. As a result, the groundwater level in Dhaka is going down alarmingly every year, creating the risk of natural disasters, including earthquakes. It is possible to have groundwater extraction by reusing it through membrane bioreactor MBR technology. Mobile House. Green Genesis Engineering Ltd is now implementing this water purification project of MBR technology, which is popular in the developed world. In this multi-storied building in Gulshan, the commercial heart of the capital Dhaka, used water is being treated and reused through a MBR plant set up by Green Genesis Engineering Ltd. As a result, the demand and waste of extracted water in the building has been reduced drastically. The cost of water extraction and use has also decreased. Mobile Jamuna Bangladesh Limited has been recognized as an eco-friendly facility for this type of water management in multi-storied commercial buildings and received international certification in nature conservation.
This is mobile house, We thought about that we should make a green building so that it can be energy savings as well as the protection to the environment. So as a part of that, we have taken the initiative to make the wastewater usable in this building. The water we actually use should be recycled. This system, wastewater management system, actually helped us to achieve the mobile house to get 85 points of the LEED certification, from the USGBC USA to make it the first LEED platinum commercial building in Bangladesh. We are actually using most of our water recycling and reusing in this building. So bare minimum water we are actually taking from the underground and the washer supply. So we can say that with a minimum amount of investment, we are actually doing the social responsibility as well as conserving the groundwater, and also helping Bangladesh to be a little bit of free from the environmental impact.
They have utilized more than 90% of rainwater and meet all the required quantity of drinking water. They also recycle STP-treated water in toilet flush for reuse in the cooling tower. This plant is PLC and SCADA-based fully automatic operating system. As such, less manpower is required for operation. The plant has been operating for more than 2 years and no sludge needs to be removed and no bad smell can be detected. Green Genesis Engineering Ltd has successfully implemented a number of exemplary projects in Bangladesh. This company has been the best in the country for almost 2 decades in water and waste treatment, and it has its own warehouse. 200 mechanical engineers and workers work round the clock. They are providing uninterrupted service in more than 70 plants across the country. Apparel Village. Strict water management has now become a matter of urgency in the industrial areas surrounding the capital and major cities of Bangladesh. International and domestic environment protection organizations are also becoming increasingly strict. Water use policy is being prepared. In order to protect the environment and climate, reuse of water in industries may become mandatory very soon.
আমরা বিগত 2 বছর ধরে গ্রিন জেনেসিস ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং লিমিটেডের মাধ্যমে এই প্ল্যান্ট পরিচালনা করে এসেছি এবং অত্যন্ত সুন্দর এবং গুণগত মানসম্পন্ন পানি আমরা পরিশোধন করে পরিবেশে নির্গত করতে পারছি।
With such possibilities in future, Green Genesis Engineering Ltd has set up a membrane bioreactor MBR and reverse osmosis RO water treatment plant at Sava's Apparel Village. Every day, hundreds of thousands of liters of chemical and foul-smelling contaminated water get treated. This purified water is also going to be used for drinking purpose. Thanks to this world-class water and waste treatment plant, the factory has become green. The workers are developing physically and mentally by working in the midst of the wondrous natural beauty. The 100% export-oriented factory has become an eco-friendly industry.
পাইয়াজ গ্রুপের একটি প্রতিষ্ঠান অ্যাপারেল ভিলেজ প্রথম ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়ালি আমরা এমবিআর ডিভাইস ব্যবহার করে আসছি। শিল্প প্রতিষ্ঠানের মালিকরা আছেন, তাদেরকে উৎসাহিত করছি এবং তাদেরকেও বলবো আপনারা এই বিশ্ববিখ্যাত ডিভাইস আপনারা ব্যবহার করুন। এই বর্জ্য পানিটাকে পরিশুদ্ধ করে আমরা আমাদের প্রোডাকশনে ব্যবহার করছি আবার 20%, আর 80% আমরা ট্রিটেড মানে এটাকে আমরা পরিশুদ্ধ করে ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি, মাটিতে চলে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু সেটা কোনো ক্ষতিকারক নয়, এটা পরিবেশ বান্ধব।
Foreign buyers and their representatives appreciate the factory's water management and environmental protection initiatives. Export orders are on the rise. Through this, the Apparel Village is going to achieve the status of an environment-friendly green factory.